several crypto investors transferred all of their cryptocurrencies out of Coinbase due to a statement made by the company, something that could spell the end of the company and cause investors to lose any crypto they have on the site. This video will act as an emergency update for all Coinbase stock investors and everyone with money on the platform, explaining why investors are abandoning Coinbase and the very important news that came out the second week of May that could put the company out of business. Something in the company's latest quarterly profits report has me concerned for everyone who has money on the platform as well as stock investors. This single line has the potential to bankrupt the company. But before we begin, make sure to keep yourself informed and engaged by subscribing to the channel, clicking the notification bell, and turning on all notifications so you won't miss our latest uploads. When Coinbase first issued its stock, it sparked a flurry of warnings. Personally, I like the platform, but as a stock investment, I believe investors are missing something. The notion is that in order for Coinbase stock to perform well, crypto and Bitcoin must also do well. But there's a catch. Coinbase isn't required for crypto and Bitcoin investors to make money. There are tens of thousands of crypto investing sites available. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the other cryptocurrencies does not require any specific platform to thrive. Even if Bitcoin rises to $100,000 and beyond, Coinbase will continue to lose money and users if it does not decrease its costs or do something to stay competitive against all of the other platforms. With such an unequal arrangement for investors, it's simply better to invest directly in cryptocurrencies rather than through a single platform like Coinbase. You wouldn't have made money on Coinbase if you didn't make money investing directly in Bitcoin, because Coinbase relies on cryptocurrency investors to generate money. But that was before Coinbase released its dismal first quarter report and said something that might spell disaster for stockholders and anyone with money on the site. Coinbase posted a loss of nearly $2 per share on revenue of $1.17 billion, which was more than $300 million below expectations. Worse, the company reported a 20% drop in monthly users and a 40% drop in trade volume compared to the same quarter last year. Coinbase's shares dropped 26% as a result of the announcement, and it's now down 85% from its high last year. However, there was something they said buried deep within that report that could lead to the stock's demise. In its quarterly 10-Q report, the company inserted a new risk disclosure on page 84 of the 142-page document. Quote, "We held $256 billion in custodial fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies on behalf of customers." So there's nothing new or startling here. The crypto and funds in your account are held by Coinbase. Look what it says later in the same line though. Quote, "Because custodial held crypto assets may be considered to be the property of the bankrupt estate, in the event of a bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings, and such customers could be treated as our general, unsecured creditors." Let me break that down for you in layman's terms. If Coinbase declares bankruptcy, all of the crypto it holds for its customers could be used to pay off its creditors. The actual account holders, on the other hand, would not receive anything until the company's debts were paid. Given that Coinbase owes approximately $3.4 billion in long-term debt, not to mention current liabilities of $11 billion, the chances of anyone who has crypto on Coinbase getting anything back in the case of bankruptcy are nearly zero. Of course, the CEO is quick to state that the company is not in danger of going bankrupt. Coinbase has more than $6 billion in cash on its balance sheet and roughly $11 billion in other short-term assets. So, yeah, I don't believe this is anything we need to be worried about right now or in the coming month. But what concerns me here is that this is becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, if the platform comes into problems, your crypto and money should be safe, and the company's custodial assets should be kept legally separate. That's how most cryptocurrency platforms function, and it's how it works on other broker investing sites. For Coinbase to come out and state that it will use your money to pay its debts, even if it goes bankrupt, no wonder a lot of investors transferred their funds, and personally, I'm curious how many other crypto owners will do the same. In fact, in the first 3 months alone, the company lost $430 million and burned through $1.5 billion in capital to keep the company afloat. How worse would it get if there would be a user exodus? Again, I'm not implying that Coinbase will go bankrupt tomorrow, but my money belongs to me, not to the firms that use it to pay off their debts. But what do you think? Are you moving your crypto holdings to a different platform, or are you staying in Coinbase? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one, and remember, keep living life bullish.